Hey guys, welcome back to another VCM Suite tutorial video. My name is Tony Gagnon, and I'm the North American Ford Gas Sales Manager here at HP Tuners. Today we're going to talk about idle speed adjustment. So you may want to adjust the idle either down or up depending on the vehicle. So in the GM world, let me show you a quick little tip on how to adjust the idle and where you want to adjust it at. So first we're going to read the file. We're going to read this. We're going to gather our info. We're actually not going to read the CCM because we don't have anything to do it. We really don't need the transmission, but I'm going to go ahead and deselect that as well. And I'm going to select read. A normal read time is less than 3 minutes if you're just reading the engine side. Now we read the file. So now we're going to adjust the idle. First thing we do is go over to the base set point. You'll notice that you have in gear, and eco mode, neutral, idle, park neutral, eco, reserve, reverse, and reverse eco. In this case, we just want to bump it up, let's say by 50 RPM, because it's on a little low and we want to bring it up a little bit. Simple thing, what I normally do is just tell the guys to hold temperatures, click over on the left-hand corner. We'll type 50 in there, hit plus on it. So remembering that we did 50 there, we're going to do the same thing to our rolling idle. We'll add 50 to that. So we added 50 to our rolling as well. And then we're going to come over here to our startup on park neutral. I normally will add 50 to that as well. And don't forget the in gear one itself. We want to add 50 to that. As you can see, adjusting idle is very simple to do in this type of vehicle. You adjust the base idle, the rolling, the part neutral, and the in gear. In this case, we just do 50. Simple idle adjustment on your GM vehicle. Reasons you might want to adjust the idle up, you might want to bring it up a little bit because it's a little low, you feel a little stumble to it, and bring it up by 50 RPM will normally help out the drivability when you're driving around town. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a better grasp on idle adjustment. If you have any questions, please comment below so we can help you out. We also have plenty of resources linked in the description to check out too. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content, and we'll see you in the next video.